Okay, welcome to the third video in the series of making this apple catcher game. We have already discussed like how to move the apple and how to move the cat. Now what we want to do is when the cat touches the apple, we want the apple like some message to be broadcasted. So what we want to do is like when we'll go on checking the condition. So we have to keep that inside of forever. So forever like if the apple is touching cat, so if the apple is touching cat, so to find out to if to find out that if the cat is touching apple or not, then we go to this like to sense anything, we go to sensing, and then we drag this over here, and then we put apple. If the cat is touching apple, then we want to like broadcast, we want to broadcast, which is in events something. This means like the game continues and the apple is touched. We type apple touched here. So this is how you broadcast a message which says apple touched. So now if the cat touches the apple, then a message like is broadcasted which is apple touched. Then what we want to do is we want when that message is like is received by the apple. So when I receive apple touched, when the apple receives apple touch, then we want the apple to like to hide from here, and then we want again the apple to appear from here, and then repeat the same like thing again and again. So we copy this whole part, we right click, and then we duplicate, we can drag this whole like box, then we keep it again here. So what this does is like when we like broadcast a message, sorry, let's like run it again. So in this way the apple like keeps falling from above whenever the cat touches apple. Then what this does is like okay, so this is how you make a game. But we also need like whenever the this apple touches the ground, what we want to do is we want to make game over, we want to like app game over appear over here. So also we want to like increase the score. We don't have any score here, let's put the score first. Let's go to variables to put is like the score. We have to make a variable and then name that variable score. Okay, so if we like take this, if we untick this, if we take this, it is shown. If we untick this, it is not shown there. So is we have a score here, and whenever like the cat touches an apple, we want the score to increase by 1. So change score by 1. This is the area which runs whenever like the cat is touching apple. So let's see what this does. So whenever this cat like touches the apple, then the score increases by 1. Now it is 4, now it is 5, 6. So the score keeps on increasing. So what we want to do is like if we start again, then we want the score to be reset to 0. So what we do is like over here to the top, we set the score to 0. We set the score to 0. So what this does is like if we play a game and then we get a score like we get a 3 here. So if we play this game again, then the score will start from 0. So this is the benefit of like resetting the score every time. Now what we have seen is like we have seen how to make the cat move, we have seen how to make the apple move, we have now learned how to increase the score. Now we will learn how to say game over, how to bring out a game over here, and then stop the game when the apple touches the ground, and we'll do that in the next video. Thank you for enjoying the video till now.